Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today I will be running through a few patterns with you, some 9-ball patterns, just for fun to just show you a few little position options. So we're gonna start off with a 3-ball pattern, real simple, real easy. Now you find a cue ball. So for all of these, we are going to run them in order, just ball by ball, 1, 2, 3. So the first shot right here, you can pause the video throughout and just see what you would do and just match it to what I would do. It does not have to be the same whatsoever. Don't think that because everyone plays differently. Everyone has different strengths and different weaknesses. So my weaknesses and my strengths may be different from your weaknesses and your strengths. So you may run it out differently. But this is the way I find easiest. I like to use a little bit off the bottom right there and bounce off the rail. I really like to use rails. I feel like rails give me a better natural angle. And then here I will just use low left. Come off of that rail. And then now, I'd use a little bit of top spin and pocket the 3-ball right into the corner. Since that took a little bit, we didn't take too long on that. We'll throw out another little 3-ball pattern, 1, 3, 9 here. So you can go ahead and pause the video, see how you're doing, see what you would do with this. You get ball in hand each shot, not each shot, each first ball. So first, I'm going to look at where I need to be on the 3 to get straight in, and I need to be right here. So I'm going to move my cue ball up a little bit to give me a target of where to draw back to. So I'm going to try to draw back to that. And I didn't get enough draw on it, but I'm on the right side of the ball. So here I would just pinch draw it back. And then I believe we're perfectly straight in on this 9-ball. And yes, we are. Close my eyes, look away, pocket it, just for fun. Okay, so now we are going to move on to 4-ball patterns. Okay, so now let's add an extra ball out here. We're still running them in order. So 3, 4, 6, 10. So again, pause the video, see what you would do. And I'm just going to go ahead and start with what I would do. I know I need to be straight in or on that left side of the 4. So I'm going to just pocket that with a bit of top spin. And then now we are on the right side of this 4-ball. And then I just want to pinch draw it again, just to the side. That way, so I barely have an angle on this ball. And then that I just need to draw it back just a tad. And then we are good for the 10-ball. So let's throw 4 more balls back out there. Run through them again. So here, I feel more comfortable with this shot. I'm going to have to get above the 6. Like so. And then pocket this. Bounce off the rail for the 7. And then I'm shooting a little tiny pinch draw shot again, like so, to just squeeze over for the 10. You got to be careful with those because if you use any side spin, that ball that you're shooting will be thrown a different direction. And then we're just going to pocket the 10. So now we are moving on to 5-ball patterns. These are still really simple, so there should be no problem with these. So first, give myself a bit of an angle on this 2. Roll off of that rail for the 3-ball. And for this 8-ball, we're going to have a bit of distance because we got straight in on the 3-ball. But that'll be fine. Let's just roll forward. Good thing about this 8-ball is we have that 9 in the corner. So what we're going to do is we are going to hit with a little low. Like that. Just trying to draw for the 9 into the side. Still have the right angle to go around 3 rails. And our cue ball should stop perfectly for that 10 ball. Just like that. So 5 ball patterns, still fairly simple, very simple. A fun thing that you can do to improve your game using these patterns is calling your pocket before you shoot any ball. And this forces you to play perfect position. So I'm going to say 1 in the corner, 2 in the side, 7 in the corner. So I give myself ball in hand, roll forward like that. And you see if I get on the wrong side of the 2, now I have to go away from the 7 ball. I can't just like change my corner pocket. I can't change the pocket that I call it in. You see we got a little lucky there. We hit a bit too hard, but still came out nicely for the 7 into the corner. So that's half table calling it, which is a bit simpler. We're going at a fast pace right now. Normally we take our time, slow down, but I don't want this video to take forever. So we're not going to take too long on the shots. But for this one, I'm going to say 2 into the side, 6 into that left corner, 8 into that right corner. Leave myself an angle on the 6. Hit this one with top right spin. Come down here for the 8. And then we just pocket that 8 ball right into the corner. And the fun thing about this drill, again, this is a great drill. If you find yourself missing a shot, let's say we missed this one. Let's say we missed that shot. And we don't just miss it once. We consistently hit it in the same spot. So what we would do is, normally what I do is I take out 5 balls. And then we'd set them up exactly how that shot is. And then we'd work at it and pocket it 5 times in a row. So we shoot the same shot 5 times in a row, pocketing all of them. Let's say we've already pocketed 5 in a row over there. Then I change sides, start pocketing them here, and you see we would have the same problem. We'd have the same problem there. If you miss one, you take them out, and you start the 5 in a row over again. So I'm a very consistent, hard practicer. I don't know if that's your mentality, but that has to be your mentality to be good at pool. You have to be a good practicer. And then after we do 5 in a row there, we go around to this side of the table, set up the same shot. 5 in a row there. Go to this side. 5 in a row there. So it's all about finding your problem shots. And if you have a problem with a certain position shot, like let's say we're shooting this 2 ball and then trying to get on the 6, and we have trouble overrunning this 2 rail position shot. We always hit it too hard to shoot the 6 into this corner. So what you would do, set up the same shot, give yourself a target zone. So give about a diamond this way and a diamond in. And you have to get the cue ball inside that diamond 5 times in a row. And make the ball. Don't forget about making the ball. But you see we got into that diamond. We got a diamond, forgot about making the ball. It's hard to give yourself the same angle on each shot, so make it about, make your target zone fairly large. You see we went too soft there, so then we speed it up, but eventually we'd have to get 5 in a row and pocket the ball. I don't know why I can't make this shot. This is a shot that I would shoot 5, 10 times in a row if I missed something like that. And then we get into this little diamond zone right here. And we're perfectly inside of it, and we're straight in on the 6 ball. So that's a shot that comes up often. If you're struggling with those shots that you know come up often, definitely shoot them over and over and over and over again. But let's move. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. if you guys are interested in the IQ training ball, this is a ball that really helps your aim. It tells you exactly where you're hitting so you can coach yourself. You can check out the IQ Training Balls website, link down in the description. They ship everywhere across the world, $27. $27 shipped in the US. But it really is a great tool, and it is a high quality ball. That is an Aramith ball right there. We get them straight from Belgium. So you can check out the IQ. You can also check out my clothing sponsor, Brutal Game Gear, down below in the description. Plus that little down arrow. The box should drop down with all of the links, and then you can click and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for 34,100 subscribers, and I will see you in the next video.